Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to propagate rosemary. Rosemary is a really easy herb to propagate and looks great all year round. To propagate rosemary you will need some sharp scissors, rooting gel or rooting powder, which is optional, and some compost in pots. Firstly, snip off or pull off shoots of new growth. They need to be around 10 centimetres long. Next, you want to remove most of the lower leaves so that you have a clean length of stem at the bottom half. You can see the leaf nodes here, so what I'm doing next is simply snipping off below one of the leaf nodes. Next, dip your stem in a hormone rooting powder or hormone rooting gel. This will speed up the process. With your pots of compost, place the rosemary cutting around the edge. I like to put several rosemary cuttings in each pot. Lastly, water in your cuttings and place in a greenhouse or in a room with a plastic bag over them to create a humid environment.